See the next big children. It is an earth. It is in spherical in shape. And the directions that is north, south, east, west are there. So on the earth. So that these are imaginary lines in the same styles. Some another imaginary lines also there were called as longitudes. That is in semicircles that is drawn from the north pole to the south pole. So that it is drawn from the north pole and the south pole is longitudes. This is called as 0 degree longitude. It here 0 degree will be in the south pole. So the longitudes is derived from the Latin word it is longitudo, means length or height. It is not full of circles. It is eastern direction and western directions. Observe here. Here eastern direction and western direction. The half part that lies to the east side is called as eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. And the half sphere that is lies in the west side of 0 degree longitude is called as western hemisphere. So our earth is divided into 4 hemisphere. Once you observe here, our earth is divided into the 4 hemisphere. See the given pictures here. Equator is divided into 2 hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And whereas 0 degree longitude is divided our earth into 2 hemisphere, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And the next one, polar region. 66 half degree south is called as Antarctic Circle and 66 half degree north is called as Arctic Circle. That lies between the 66 half degree south to 90 degree south is called and 66 half degree north to 90 degree north pole. This zone named as polar zone or frigid zone. At this area will not get sun rays very obliquely. The rays will fall hardly they receive the sun rays. That's why to the maximum extents then here will be the entire zone will be covered with the snow cap or ice cap. That's why they are called as polar or frigid zone. These are the important latitudes and important climatic zones. Thank you, children.